What exactly is SurvAI? SurvAI is an artificial intelligence-powered app that helps you generate leads through the power of survey funnels and quickly convert them into buyers. This app provides the shortest path from a cold lead into a rabid buyer. Even if you have never sold before, this app will help you build a buyer list fast. SurvAI is the easiest way to generate leads and turn strangers into regular customers. No guesswork, no technical obstacles, and you don't even need a website. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. The easiest way to generate leads and turn strangers into repeat customers. Turn 2 simple keywords into a full lead generation machine. AI generates all the questions. You personalize offers based on responses. Capture leads with AI using Powerful Builder. Share surveys with a custom URL anywhere with just one click. Automated, generate engaging questions using AI. Send leads right to offers based on their replies. DeFi templates, start instantly with ready-to-go surveys. Fully cloud-based, nothing to download install. Powerful security, passwords and IP-level security. Free commercial license, make money by offering this as a service. 3 simple steps to create surveys using artificial intelligence. Step 1. Enter a keyword. Step 2. Select questions. Step 3. Publish and profit. Surveys give you deep insight about your audience. Insight. They help you gain insight into who's in your audience, what they struggle with, what they really want, and so much more. Don't worry about asking the right questions. The AI will do that for you. Segment. They help you segment your new leads at the top of your funnel. SurvAI also helps you segment leads based on replies, so that you can send them to personalized offers. Sales. And they help you combine the power of human psychology with that of interactive content. Witness an instant increase in your sales and conversions. As people love learning more about themselves, answering questions, and getting personalized offers. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Create surveys that contain a user-friendly balance of short answer and multiple-choice questions that get specific information from the participants. SurvAI generates multiple questions in 10 different types and forms. Pick a template or start with blank canvas. SurvAI has a wide range of templates that you can use to create your surveys in just seconds. Designed by our in-house team of expert designers and marketers, these templates are battle-tested to deliver the highest conversions. Alternatively, if you want, you can start with a blank canvas and create your own survey just the way you like. Dynamic Smart Redirect System. Based on the responses to your questions, you can have SurvAI send your leads to a custom thank you page after completing the survey. Pitch different products and services based on your audience's preferences and watch your conversions skyrocket. Smart Survey Protection. Make sure that your surveys are filled out only by people who were meant to fill them out. With SurvAI, you can create passwords for your surveys. This way only people with the password can access and fill out the survey, making it impossible for bots to answer questions in your survey. This helps in saving a lot of time and resources on compiling data that is useless for you. And not just that. You can also limit one survey per respondent by allowing only one person to take up the survey using one IP address. Customize surveys. Brand survey pages with your own logo and colors. You can also upload your own images, videos, or choose from our built-in image gallery and add them to your survey. Simply point and click to add your own custom welcome text and even a countdown timer to increase completions using scarcity. SurvAI has everything you need to create lead-generating surveys. All you need to do is point and click. Full survey analytics. Get a bird's-eye view of data pertaining to total respondents, number of completed surveys, percentage of completed surveys, and lots more. See what's working for you and damp what's not. Our built-in natural language processing technology summarizes the results without requiring any technical skills on your part. SurvAI lays down all of the crucial stats for you in a simplified manner. Access these right inside your dashboard and know exactly the kind of surveys your audience will respond to. Easily share your survey. Easily share your survey with a custom URL generated inside the app with just one click. You can also directly share your surveys on Facebook and damp Twitter from within the app. Want to put your survey on your website? No problem. Just copy-paste and embed it on any website. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.